الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
And Mr. Ghulam Mustafa, who was instrumental in getting this our side screens. One side screen which was made before COVID was stolen by some miscreants, but again 2 days back he had the courage once again to put it up again, and we thank him. We thank Reel and Room Frankie for his contribution to this tournament, and Saudi Cricket Center and Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation now, who has supported us wholeheartedly for this tournament. We also thank Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation for giving us permission for phase 1 now, which has already started from today, and inshallah which will last in the mid-January 2021. And we got another permission for phase 2 as well from Saudi Cricket Federation, and we are thankful to them. Saudi Cricket Federation, it's a new baby for cricket, and Saudi Cricket Center has been amalgamated in Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation, and we don't know much about this organization, but we have the people here around, and I would request first of all from Nesma Airlines, Mr. Walid Mohsin to come on the stage. Walid Mohsin. Mr. Walid Mohsin. Mr. Iqbal from Nesma Airlines, Finance Controller, Corporate Sector. Nesma Airlines, Mr. Iqbal, please come on the stage, sir. Mr. Sultan Sindhi from Bhopal, please, sir, on the stage. Mr. Qasim Naqvi from Saudi Cricket Federation. Mr. Walid Mohsin. Okay, then I would request Mr. Qasim Naqvi to have a few words and some details about Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि सऊदी अरेबियन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन का वजूद अमल में आ गया है, और पिछले 2 साल पहले ये अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी कि सऊदी अरेबियन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन बनने जा रही है, और अब सऊदी अरेबियन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन पूरे तौर से यहाँ पर शुरू हो चुकी है। और जितने भी सऊदी अरब में जितनी भी क्रिकेट फेडरेशंस हैं, हार्ड बॉल की, सॉफ्ट बॉल की, सब ऑलमोस्ट एफिलिएट हैं सऊदी अरेबियन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन के साथ, और जो अभी रह गए हैं वो एफिलिएशन के प्रोसेस में है। तो तकरीबन 400 से ऊपर क्लब्स हैं जो सऊदी अरेबियन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन के अंडर में इस वक्त आ चुके हैं। सऊदी अरेबियन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन गवर्नमेंट इदारा है, और जैसा कि पहले बहुत अरसे से कोशिश हो रही थी कि गवर्नमेंट की सपोर्ट होनी चाहिए क्रिकेट के लिए, तो अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अब इस सिलसिले में गवर्नमेंट की भी सपोर्ट हासिल है। और सबसे जो अहम उसमें चीज़ है वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है। जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट है वो बहुत जल्दी इंशाल्लाह शुरू हो जाएगा, और तकरीबन हर शहर में आपको ग्रासी ग्राउंड्स और अकेडमीज नज़र आएंगे। आप लोगों से गुजारिश ये है कि आप सऊदी अरब में और क्रिकेट क्योंकि बढ़ गई है, तो जितने भी यंग क्रिकेटर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं सऊदी अरब से खेलने के लिए। आपके लिए ज़रूरी है कि अपने आप को फिट रखें, हेल्दी रखें और क्रिकेट जारी रखें। तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों का सबका फ्यूचर बहुत अच्छा है, और बहुत जल्द इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट भी आप यहाँ देखेंगे। तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि अपने आप को फिट रखें और जितना हो सके क्रिकेट खेलें और अच्छे एटमॉस्फेयर में खेलें। अभी जो हालात हैं उसमें SOPs का ख़ास तौर से ख्याल रखें। जितनी भी एहतियाती तदबीर हैं, फेडरेशन ने अनाउंस तो कर दिया है क्रिकेट का, सारे सिटीज़ में हो रही है क्रिकेट, लेकिन मैं यही गुजारिश करूँगा कि जितना एहतियात करें, जितना SOP का ख्याल रखेंगे, उतना हम सब के लिए बेहतर होगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर, नक़वी साहब। Before we start properly with the prize distribution, I would like to just clarify something, that when we were celebrating the National Day matches here, कुछ लोगों ने यहाँ पर rumors फैलाए थे कि WPCA is going to close because of the demolitions of these workshops here in Ascon Road, which didn't happen actually. And that day also I had told that we have been assured by Baladia that nothing will happen to WPCA grounds. And again, 2 days back, Mr. Iqbal is also there, and 2 days back we tried to meet the Nespa Airlines and the mayor of Baladia, and they have assured, although there was an order from the government to take this land, but mayor has resisted, and he has promised that for the period of contract, which is up to 2023, nothing will happen to these grounds. And they are going to, in a short time, once this mess is over, they are going to make a fence around our grounds here, and all now 9 grounds which are there, which will become maybe now in another 6 months 10 or 11 grounds. And so there is no fear, nothing to fear. Please play your game, and WPCA is always with you. We give some of the awards before we start proper awards. I would call upon Mr. Ghulam Mustafa from Fulwa Jabir company, who was instrumental in getting our side screens. A round of applause for him. He did it free of charge. In fact, he sponsored side screen. I would ask Mr. Ghulam Mustafa to give a performance award to Mr. Mohammad Zubair for his appreciative work for WPCA. And another new person here with us is Mr. Bhatti, who was kind enough to take the photographs and clips, and hopefully it will be telecasted and printed on newspapers and channels. We are going to give him some token appreciation by Mr. Ghulam Mustafa only to Mr. Bhatti. Mr. Bhatti, round of applause for him, please. This tournament, thank you. This tournament was possible, of course, due to players, their dedication, their sportsmanship, and there was not a single mishap or indisciplined act during the tournament. We are grateful to all the players, all the club managements for their disciplined approach to this tournament. But on the ground, there are 2 more people who are controlling the game, and they are called umpires. I would call upon one of our international umpire, Mr. Khalil Qazi, to come on the stage and give the service awards to our umpires. There's a Mr. Ataur Rahman. Mr. Sharifuddin Padubidri. Mr. Rahat Ali Chaudhary. Mr. Irfan Ayazuddin. Mr. Zainul Huda. Mr. Imran Amir. Mr. Naushad M. Mr. Sohail Shah. Mr. Zafar Iqbal. Mr. Zubair Sonasra. Mr. Salim. Mr. Umair Ali. Thank you, sir. This round of applause for Mr. Khalil Qazi, International Umpire. Now, with those service awards are over, and we directly go to the morning prizes, starting with the man of the match in the semi-finals. Morning semi-final 1. It goes to Kashif Ali of MFC for his 6 for 17 and 39 runs in 17 balls. Sadiqul Islam. Sadiqul Islam, a round of applause for Mr. Sadiqul Islam from Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation. Man of the semi-final in the morning league. Semi-final 2 goes to Atif Sai Chaudhary of South Africa. 90 runs in 25 balls with 10 fours and 7 sixes. Thank you, sir. I would call upon Mr. Iftikhar Sahab. Mr. Iftikhar Sahab, तालियों से गड़गड़ाहट होनी चाहिए. Best batsman in the morning league on aggregate. There are 2 awards for each batsman and bowler on aggregate and average. Aggregate best batsman in the morning league goes to Atif Sai of South Africa for his 730 runs at a staggering average of 121 per inning. Atif Sai, best batsman batsman on average in the morning league. Again, Atif Sai Chaudhary for his average of 121.66. Atif Sai of Sadafco. Best bowler on aggregate in the morning league goes to Zafar Iqbal of Air Homes. 23 wickets for 188 runs at an average of 8.17. Zafar Iqbal of Air Homes. Best bowler on average again goes to Zafar Iqbal of Air Homes. 23 wickets for 188 runs at an average of 8.17. Best wicket keeper in the morning league goes to Wasim of Air Homes for his 23 victims in 8 matches. Wasim of Air Homes. Thank you. I would call Mr. Iqbal to give the afternoon prizes. Man of the first semi-final in the afternoon league, Color Super League, goes to Ejaz Butt of Abu Dhabi for his 59 runs and 3 for 24. Ejaz Butt Ejaz Butt of Abu Dhabi. Man of the second semi-final goes to Khabar Sohail of Banswara Ball Burners. Khabar Sohail of BBP. Best batsman on aggregate in the afternoon goes to Ejaz Butt for his 425 runs at an average of 47.22. Ejaz Butt. Best batsman on average goes to Amir Gujjar of Abu Dhabi. 414 runs with an average of 59.14. Amir Gujjar of Abu Dhabi Trading. Best bowler in the afternoon league on aggregate goes to the skipper Abdullah Zahid of Abu Dhabi Trading for his 22 wickets, 246 runs at an average of 11.18. Abdullah Zahid of Abu Dhabi Trading. Abdullah Zahid of Abu Dhabi Trading for aggregate wickets. Best bowler on average in the afternoon league goes to Mohammad Ashraf of Karachi Warriors Best wicketkeeper in the afternoon league goes to Mohammad Azhar of BBB. Mohammad Azhar of BBB. They were throughout the tournament. We had 5 hat tricks at different levels, morning, afternoon and premier. There was 1 hat trick today also in the final match between Zultak and Hyderabad Sharks. I would call upon Mr. Musarrat Khalil, well-known journalist from Jeddah, to give away the hat-trick prizes. Hat-trick in the morning league goes to Ghulam Murtaza of Young Strikers. Ghulam Murtaza. Ghulam Murtaza from Young, anybody from Young Strikers? Usman Amjad of Air Homes. Usman Amjad of Air Homes. भाई हैट्रिक लेना बड़ा मुश्किल काम है, कोई तालियां नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Abdullah Zahid of Abu Dhabi Trading in the match against Hukuma International. और जोर से तालियां. From the Premier, we had Shairal Thanikkan Koyakutti of Tuskers. Tuskers, anybody? Yeah, Yashik is coming. This is Yashik from Tuskers. Round of applause for him. And now Abu Huraira, today's hat trick. Abu Huraira's certificate will be given later on. We were not expecting his hat trick today. He took 4 wickets in 4 balls of his 3rd over. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I would call upon Mr. Sultan Sindhi to give away some prize. Mr. Sultan Sindhi from Bhopal. We are going to give today's, all the 3 finals had man of the matches. Man of the match in the morning league goes to Saqib Sahi of Sadafco for his 3 for 37. Saqib Sahi of Sadafco to down MFCC to win the final match. In the other final, in the afternoon league, it goes to Sohail of BBB for his 3 for 17 in 4 overs. Sohail of BBB. And lastly, for the Premier final man of the match. There was a heavy debate between two players, and ultimately the bat won, and it goes to Amir Sajjad for his hurricane innings of unbeaten 91 in 51 balls, 7 fours and 5 huge sixes. Amir Sajjad. Thank you, sir. I would call upon Mr. Naqvi Saab to give away the prizes of Premier. Premier semi-finals. Semi-final 1. Waqarul Hassan of Zultak for his 132 runs in 62 balls, 10 fours and 7 sixes. And another applause for him because he came from vacation. Semi-final 2, Mohammad Shehzad of Hyderabad Sharks, 73 runs in 36 balls. Mohammad Shehzad of Hyderabad Sharks. Mr. Walid. Mr. Walid from Nesma Airlines, HR manager of corporate. Mr. Walid, best batsman in the Premier goes to none other than Amir Sajjad for his 494 runs at the average of 61.75. Again, best batsman on average goes to Amir Sajjad for his 61.75 average. Best bowler on aggregate goes to again Zultak, Bilal Iqbal Mohammed. 17 wickets for 195 runs at an average of 11.47.
Smile, please, smile.
For average in the bowlers category, he just beat Atif Mohammed. Again, it is Bilal Iqbal.
क्या बात है अफगानी बुलाओ
Best wicketkeeper in the Premier League goes to Hafiz Jafar of Waqas 11.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਇਹ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਮੁੰਬਈ ਨੂੰ 4 ਓਵਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਟੀਮ ਲਿਆਵਾਂਗੇ ਮੁੰਬਈ ਦੇ 4 ਓਵਰ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟੀਮ ਕਰੋੜੋ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੀਮ ਸਾਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ
Thank you, sir. I would request Mr. Walid to give away some prizes. Man of the tournament for the Morning League goes to Anwar Chandi of Air Homes. Anwar.
वो फ्लाई कर गया
Man of the tournament in the afternoon league goes to Abdullah Zahid of Abu Dhabi Trading for his 245 runs and 22 wickets. Man of the tournament in the Premier goes to Nesma Airlines player only. Malik Naeem. So there is a special prize from Nesma Airlines as well. Malik Naeem.
मौसम सीधा देखो जरा इधर
Okay, now starting, I will call the teams winning and the runner-up teams one by one to take their individual prizes. Captain should be followed by the players in a batting order, and we'll take the prizes here. Starting with the captain, and in the morning league, I would ask Mr. Walid to continue. Mr. Morning League, Sadafco winner, Mr. Iqbal is requested to come and followed by the players in batting order. Quickly, jaldi jaldi. Fourteen players. Fourteen players from each team. Okay, sir, thank you. Sir, I would request Mr. Sadiqul Islam to give a Afternoon League winners, Abu Dawood. Oh, sorry, BBB. BBB starting with Captain Rahil. BBB. BBB winner of Afternoon League.
क्या बात है भाई साहब, क्या जी
Winner of Premier, Zultak. Zultak starting with the captain. Captain Mr. Umair Khan. Zultak winner of Premier. Runners of MFCC. MFCC starting with Captain Yasin Wadaich. Yasin Wadaich of MFCC. They were beaten today. Come fast, quickly. MFCC, runners up in the morning league. MFCC runners up in the morning league. Abu Dhabi Trading. Abu Dhabi Trading, runners up in the afternoon. Abu Dhabi Trading. Hyderabad Sharks, runners up in the Premier. Starting with Mr. Harif Hashmi of Hyderabad Sharks. Round of applause for them. They played very well throughout the tournament, but today their luck was not in their favor. Hyderabad Sharks runner-up in the afternoon, in the Premier, sorry. Thank you, sir. Now, before we start with the Winners' Cup and Runners-Up Cup, I would like to thank Crown Steel for their support. Still they are supporting, despite Shafiq has gone already, but they are supporting, and I thank Mr. Saqib Bhatt for his work today. Throughout the day, he was there to support, to pitch the tents and to make this stage. We are thankful to him. And before that, before I start with the cream of this program, I would like you all to remember in your prayers Mr. Zahid Qureshi. Although he has recovered, he has been shifted to his house, but still he needs prayers. So please remember him in your prayers. Mr. Zahid Qureshi. I thank all the teams for their unrelented support to this tournament. Despite the COVID-19 setback, after this lockdown, they came and they played their cricket with all their hearts out. I thank all the WPCA committee members for toiling hard all these days, every day 5 hours to sort out and to set this final day program. Especially Mr. Sohail Bhai, who was on the ground from Saturday 6 a.m. till Maghrib almost, and he was tired like anything. A round of applause for Mr. Sohail Bhai. Now we have the Runners-Up Cup, and we had announced 3,000 Riyals as prize money, and for the winner 5,000 Saudi Riyals. But since I was also toiling hard all these days, so the prize money will be taken by me and you will be given the cups, the prestigious cups. If you agree, I go ahead. Okay, we start with the Runners-Up Cup from the Morning League, MFCC. The Runners-Up Cup, I would request Mr. Iqbal Saab to come, Mr. Waleed, Mr. Qasim Naqvi, Mr. Iftikhar Saab to come on the stage and give away the prizes. Runners-Up Cup.
जल्दी इंशाल्लाह सही हो गया भाई।
Runner-up in the afternoon league goes to Abu Dhabi Trading. Runner-up afternoon. Runner-up in the afternoon, Abu Dhabi Trading. Cash prize 3,000. No problem, you take now and give it to me later on. Runner-up in the morning premier goes to Hyderabad Sharks. Runner-up cup and 3,000. Hyderabad Sharks, runners-up in the premier. अब दिल थाम के बैठिए, आज के विनर्स की बारी आई। वी स्टार्ट विद विनर इन द मॉर्निंग goes to Sadafco, 5,000 riyals and the cup and the medals. 5,000 riyals and the winners cup. Morning champions of Kala Super League. Today they beat MFCC by 2 wickets. Sadafco the winner. Thank you, sir. Afternoon winner goes to Banswara Ball Burners. They won against Abu Daud by 8 wickets. Banswara Ball Burners. Please, टीमें जाए नहीं, टीमें रुके for pictures. सारी टीमें रुके. MFCC. Banswara Ball Burners, winner of afternoon CSL. And finally, winner of the prestigious Premier League goes to Zultek. They won by 8 wickets against Hyderabad Sharks. Zultek, Premier Champion of CSL 2020. Thank you, sir. We thank all our sponsors, our guest of honors here, and we are thankful to you, and your support ever will be continued, inshallah. Thank you, sir. We thank once again Mr. Bhatti, and please don't go. We have to wait for the group pictures. Starting with Zultek. Group picture. Group picture. Zultek. Guests, sir, Qasim bhai. Sir, आ जाए इफ्तिखार भाई, सादिकुल इस्लाम भाई, मुशर्रफ खलील, इकबाल भाई, मिस्टर वलीद. फ्रैंकी, इलियास साहब, सर नदीम भाई. किधर है बाबा? Hyderabad Sharks, be ready. It's like international forum. Okay, sir. Thank you. Hyderabad Sharks. Hyderabad Sharks.
जाओ ना, फिर भी जाओ ना। हाँ। जाओ जाओ, साथ में जाओ ना।
हैदराबाद शॉट। आ जाए।
नहीं है मिसाल है। जाओ, ठहरो नहीं, इधर जाने दो बच्चे, जाओ जाओ जाओ।
Abu Daud, get ready. Abu Daud, get ready. Abu Daud, Abu Daud, get ready, please.
वीडियो तो
पिक्चर बनानी थी ना
Abu Daud,
ये 2 पिक्चर बना के
मोबाइल मेरे को दे जाओ ना।
अपना कप चलाओ।
छोड़ दे, जाओ जाओ।
सही तरह से
Ejaz, Ejaz. तकरीब होने से पहले Zultak, just wait.
अब थोड़ा साइड में।
यार फयाज भाई यार क्या कर रहे बैठ जाओ उधर ही कॉर्नर।
Abu Daud Trading, afternoon runners up.
ओके
Okay, thank you. Now morning, MFCC. भाग के, दौड़ के, भाग के, जल्दी जल्दी।
जा मेरा पुत्र फोटो जा रे बैठ
जाओ जाओ जाओ, दोनों दो, तीनों का दो, तुम भी जाओ।
जल्दी।
यार चल मैं तो बनाना हूँ।
MFCC, बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ सब, बैठ जाओ।
बैठो साजी बैठो।
Sadafco the champions. Sadafco the champions of morning league. Sadafco the champions. बैठ जाओ। Sadafco, one of our sponsors. बैठ जाओ quickly.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. DBB, champions of afternoon. DBB, champions of afternoon. Banswara ball burners. Banswara ball burners. पीछे बैठ जाओ।
इनको खड़ा ही रहने दो, नजर ही नहीं आएंगे। ओए, बस खड़ा हो जा, खड़ा।
DBB afternoon champions. Once again, Zultak, the champions. Zultak. एक बार वो champions के साथ. Okay. Thank you. चलिए सर, thank you very much. Thank you, Kasim bhai.